Are you looking for the best carports? In this video we will look at some of the 7 best carports on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. FDW Carport Party Tent. Simplistic and easy to build, FDW's outdoor tent offers the convenience of covered parking as well as shade for grilling, parties, and other outdoor activities. It has a durable tarp cover pulled tight by bungee cords for a tight, sleek look. It's pulled on a sloped frame, preventing snow accumulation as well as protection from sun, rain, and debris. This carport also includes an anchor kit to install it to a concrete or asphalt foundation, where you can add extra bolts to secure it. Upkeep is important, where a few reviewers mentioned needing to replace the product after a few months. Fortunately, customers can take advantage of Amazon protection plans. Standout factor: the price for FDW's carport is only $115, which is unbeatable for a quick and easy carport solution. Number 2. Kingbird Heavy Duty Carport. Kingbird tops our list for having all the qualities customers look for in a winter carport. The heavy-duty carport is made of an extremely durable tarp attached to a rust-resistant steel frame. Its design also has a high peak roof style, which prevents snow buildup. As for the structure itself, Kingbird's carport comes with 5 support legs on each side, more than those on standard carports, as well as reinforced top and ground bars, improving wind and snow resistance. Standout factor: it has a unique trapezoidal structure with a 3-zipper door design that helps increase the door size. This makes it suitable for boats and other large vehicles you may need to store for winter. Number 3. HCY Carport Party Tent. For those who prefer a DIY carport, HCY's model is designed with ease in mind. The tent can be used as a carport or for camping, parties, and other outdoor activities. Its clearance also covers most vehicle sizes, including SUVs and boats. The simplistic structure makes it very easy to set up and disassemble when needed. Standout factor: its triple-layer fabric tarp is waterproof and also provides UV protection. Paired with a rust-resistant steel frame, this style is a bit more durable than typical collapsible tents. Number 4. Gardesol Carport Canopy. While most fabric carports come as is, Gardesol's Carport Canopy offers some customizable features. The doors and sidewalls are removable, so you can change its look for parking as well as any outdoor occasion. The canopy has a durable fabric that is both water and UV resistant, making it good for year-round use. Setup is also pretty simple, as there aren't any additional tools needed for assembly. Standout factor: the Gardesol Carport Canopy's roll-up mesh windows allow for ventilation. This is especially advantageous for vehicles during rainy seasons, helping to prevent mold. Number 5. Backyard Discovery Barrington Carport. Backyard Discovery's model isn't necessarily a carport, but rather a modern gazebo design. The benefit of this style, however, is that it has a versatile appearance and function, so you can use it for parking cars, outdoor dining, and other leisure activities. This structure has a corrosion-resistant steel roof that's able to withstand up to 7,800 pounds and 100 miles per hour wind speed. The roof is also thermal insulated, which can reduce heat up to 20 degrees, helping cool the area beneath. While carports made of wood material can be susceptible to water and insect damage, the posts of this particular product are cedar wood, which are naturally insect and humidity resistant. Standout factor: the structure is designed with a convenient power port feature to connect outdoor appliances for grilling, charging phones, and more. Number 6. Palram Canopy. For some homeowners, an attached carport is a more convenient option. Palram's Carport Canopy fits this preference. Unlike a typical awning made of fabric, this product is made of polycarbonate roof panels and heavy-duty aluminum posts. This carport style is multifunctional. You can attach it to the back of your home as a patio cover or the side of your home as a carport. It also has custom fitting capabilities, so you can adjust it to match your patio's dimensions. One drawback: however, is that it is only 10 feet wide. This is a tight fit for a standard-sized car, but can be ideal for smaller vehicles like motorcycles, ATVs, and riding lawn mowers. Standout factor: despite its smaller size, this product is very durable. The roof panels have anti-moisture UV blocking properties. It's also fairly resistant to weather, with a snow load of 35 lbs/ft2 and wind resistance of 75 miles per hour. Number 7. Purple Leaf Aluminum Pergola. Last but not least on our best carports list is the Purple Leaf Aluminum Pergola. It has a sleek, modern design that functions as a large awning for deck and poolside shade, and as a carport for parking. Its coated aluminum frame is rust-resistant, making it ideal for year-round use. As for its design, the pergola has a hidden built-in gutter system along the roof, helping avoid water accumulation on the roof. One thing to keep in mind, however, is that Purple Leaf recommends at least 4 people to assemble this model. For this reason, we don't consider it an easy DIY option. Standout factor: the design has an adjustable, louvered roof which gives you shade control. This feature is handy when using it for outdoor activities, since the sunlight direction changes periodically throughout the day.